Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's video, Julie is going to be showing you how you can transform a bottle of your regular nail polish into a gel nail polish at home. If you'd like to see more tips and tricks videos like this, let us know in the comments and hit that like button.
Hey guys, it's Julie. Don't forget to click the button to subscribe below for more CutePolish tutorials and be sure to check back every week. Now let's get started with the review. Hydrocol claims it can turn any regular nail polish into a gel polish just by mixing the two together. This is especially great if you have old nail polishes that have gotten too thick. Hydrocol can bring them back to life so you can finish the bottle. Hydrocol comes in a 20 ml black bottle with conveniently placed instructions on the back. The product has a safety lock lid that requires you to push while turning it to unlock it, which is going to make sure you securely seal it every time. The applicator is a clear glass dropper, and the Hydrocol product itself is a clear gel with a pretty thick consistency. Because it's so thick, it does pull up on the sides of the applicator, and it got really messy if I didn't carefully put it back into the jar. Hydrocol is free of common gel chemicals like formaldehyde and is supposed to actually hydrate weak and dry nails and cuticles. So let's give it a try. The polish I'm going to be turning gel today used to be my all-time favorite baby pink polish until it got too goopy to use. But before applying gel, I like to give my nails a light buff so that the gel adheres better. Then I clean off the nail surface and use a primer to remove any excess oils. You can also use alcohol to do this. The first step in the instructions is to apply a gel base coat. On the site, it says you can actually mix Hydrocol with a regular base and top coat as well, but I'll just be using my regular gel base coat today. I applied one thin coat of the gel base coat to all of my nails and capped the free edge. Then I cured the base coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now that we have a base coat on, we can mix up our gel color. The site recommended to use a plastic palette, so I'm just going to be using the center of this nail wheel. A very important key to this is that you mix up equal amounts of the gel and the polish. The website says you might need a tad more polish if it's a light color, but you can't exceed 60% polish or else it won't cure. And I did just go ahead and use the brush that came with the polish to mix the products up thoroughly. And now, like any gel polish, I applied a thin coat to my nails and capped the free edge. Try to avoid getting gel on your skin, but if you do, just remove it before you cure. Again, this was considerably thicker than traditional gel, but gel is thicker than regular gel. I also didn't notice much change in the pigmentation, because typically this color would have required 2 to 3 coats, and I was able to get it opaque in just 2 coats with this gel. Once the gel was on, I cured for another 30 seconds in my LED lamp. This does leave a sticky inhibition layer like other gels, so try not to touch it or get any fibers in it. Before my second coat, my little gel polish pile had significantly thickened up and I wasn't even able to get any more product out of it, so I did have to mix up some more in a new pile. I feel like this was because the polish was already really thick and goopy to begin with, and later I did use a newer polish and I didn't have that issue. But that being said, I don't recommend that you make a huge pile to start off with, and maybe just start with a small amount and mix as you go just to be safe. Here I'm just applying a second coat to all of my nails and curing again. On my pinky and thumb, I'll be using a rosy gold glitter polish. This polish is actually textured, so I was curious to see if it'd totally smooth out. Again, I mixed a pile of 50-50 gel to polish, and this time it was much thinner and easier to work with. I applied a coat to my nail, and surprisingly, it went on totally opaque, and after I cured it, it was left with a smooth, untextured surface. This might be my new go-to way of getting glitter polishes smooth so that I don't have to apply 5+ layers of top coat. I sealed in the color with a top coat and cured one last time. After the gel cures, you will have a tacky layer on top, but you can just wipe that away with a cotton ball and some nail polish remover or alcohol. And as you can see, no color is coming off my nail, which means the product properly cured and Hydrocol worked. Here I'm doing a little tap test to show you that the gel is totally set and it's not smudging or denting at all. Also, on my other hand, I used Hydrocol mixed with a holographic silver polish, and I've been wearing it for 4 days in this shot. And as you can see, I have no chips, no peeling, just a little growth. So let's take an overall look at the Hydrocol product. Pros, it totally works how it's designed to work, which means you'll be able to save old nail polishes and use them completely up. Your gel polish collection also just multiplied because you can turn any of your regular polishes into gel. Hydrocol is also very long lasting and it's free of harmful chemicals and actually conditions the nail as you wear it. The biggest issue with this product is its thickness. If you're not used to gel, you might have a learning curve right off the bat because it's much thicker than regular polish. Also, the dispenser can get very messy if you're not careful, and the product itself is quite sticky. And if you're using this with an old polish, your polish pile might dry up before you're finished. Overall, this is a super cool product and definitely worth adding to your collection if you love gel manicures. This is also going to save you tons of money since you won't need a salon and you won't need to buy any gel polishes, which are more expensive than regular polishes. Don't forget to click the button to subscribe below and click the info card on the top right of your screen for more CutePolish videos. And for more tutorials by me, check out the description box for my personal channel.